Hey guys, Michael LaFido. I want to share with you a really cool tip. If you don't have listings, but you're looking at bringing content to your database, whether it be TikTok, Instagram, or perhaps YouTube, I want to share with you a simple strategy. Recently, I've been showing some high-end buyers some amazing properties in the Chicagoland market, and I showed them two $6.5 million properties last weekend. Yesterday, I showed a property. It was actually our listings, 2.75 million. And literally, I pull out the phone, and as I'm driving these neighborhoods, I scan, just literally roll down the window, and just as I'm driving up and down the street, I'll get 3 to 5 to 10 homes, and I'll post on my TikTok, hey, which Chicagoland suburb am I showing homes in? And put some fun music on there. And literally, we had one video had over 8,000 views, another over 2,000, 3,000 views. People like to guess which suburb. Now, some people are being smart Alex, and they're putting, neighborhoods that they know these homes aren't in, or towns these aren't in. But again, it's a great way for some engagement and people to comment. So it's simply just rolling down the window in a neighborhood. In this case, I was showing some upper end homes. I say, hey, what Chicagoland suburb am I in? Or what Chicagoland suburb am I showing homes in? Got a lot of great feedback and a lot of people interacting. So I wanted to share with you that tip. Also, we're coming into the spring conference season. I do believe iron sharpens iron. So I'm going to be at the REMAX conference speaking next week. But even if sometimes when I don't speak, I go to these conferences and I network, and I go to the different vendors in the vendor alley where they have their booths and displays. And again, technology, AI, what's working for lead gen conversion. I recommend you consider going to 2 conferences in 2025, whether it be your own company's conference or a brand agnostic conference. I recommend it. I guarantee I'm going to be coming back with some cutting edge strategies, what's working, and I'll be sharing that with you. As always, if you're getting value from these, please let us know. Give us some feedback, leave us a like, and again, some PSs down below. Couple things. One, where am I speaking next? We have our designation training in Miami in April and in Houston. So if you're interested in person and you want to get certified in luxury, check those out. We've included the link down below. And as always, if you want some of our swag, here's our flagship product. It's the lion with Lux underneath it. Literally, I had a loan officer that does a lot of public speaking. He bought that. He bought our book along with our objection handling playing cards, and he had some great things to say. I gotta read that to you for you real quick. So Johnny said, love the swag. It's not the market, it's the marketing. And then for our cards, he said, these are awesome. I'm going to be speaking in front of a room full of realtors, and I'm going to share it with them. So have a great day, guys. Stay warm, and we'll talk to you soon.